What's going on? Are you looking for a new channel that has fresh, unique, upbeat content to binge watch? I'm Twig from Twigging Around, and if you love nature, adventures, and a little bit of self-deprecation while learning and growing, join me as I take you on a tour to see if Twigging Around is the next channel to help you justify sitting on the toilet for countless hours while you have other more important things to do. My wife and I quit our jobs, gave away everything we didn't need, and drove a caravan, including our 2 cats. And this is Tamal. Our first week in Mexico, we found her in the mountains, probably around 24 hours away from death with a plastic jug on her head. She's a part of the family now. Anyways, we drove 2 trucks and 2 trailers over 3,000 miles across the United States and Mexico to a place where we didn't know anyone and considered our dream location, California, Baja Sur, Mexico. Now we spend our days spearfishing in remote reefs, enjoying catching cooks, ripping ATVs up the riverbed to remote backcountry waterfalls in the mountains. Twigging Around is about embracing the unknown and living life outdoors, one wild adventure at a time. Where did it all start, you ask? Twigging Around started as Twigmin Berries, a simple idea to be in nature, hang out with wildlife, and try new things and share the adventure along the way. From the very first video, from spending the day wearing wet denim jeans on a winter kayaking trip down a frozen river, going on a wild adventure to get married in the middle of the woods, to now being in Baja, an unfamiliar landscape. So, without further ado, I like making nature, adventure content for people like you. If you enjoyed the last minute and a half, hit subscribe, join the gang. You can always unsubscribe, but until next time, be happy, be healthy, and I'll check you in the next one.